Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add or show the cookie banner on your Hostinger website builder site. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the website that you want to enable or show the cookie banner on, click on this Edit Website button. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and to enable or to show the cookie banner on my website, first let's open this website live. This is the website. Now go to More, yes, click on More, then select General Settings and click on Cookie Banner. Here, check this box to enable the cookie banner. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And click on Cookie Banner. Here, check this box to enable the cookie banner, and this shows your visitor a banner informing them about the use of cookies on your website. Of course, you can edit the disclaimer text from here, and if you want to restore to the default disclaimer text, just click on this button. Now to enable or to show this cookie banner, click on Save, completed, close this window, and don't forget to update your website. Now instead of viewing my website, instead of opening my website in a new tab, let's just refresh this page. And just like that, this cookie banner will be shown to every website visitor, and your website visitor can decline it or accept it. Let's accept it, and just like that, now your visitor accepted your cookie banner. And this is how to enable this is how to show the cookie banner in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.